Hello everyone. Today I am going to start new chapter of class 11. It means what? Retirement of a partner. In the last classes we have done up to admission of a partner, and the next chapter is retirement of a partner. Retirement means what? For example, if there are three partners are there, A, B and C, and someone wants to, for example, A wants to retire from the business. So after his retirement, there will be some changes in the profit sharing ratio, right? So we'll we'll see some profit sharing ratio. We'll do some sums from profit sharing ratio after retirement of a any partner. For this purpose, I have taken a question. Let's see the question first. So first, I've taken question number 1. Better you write down the question in your copy. I've taken question number 1. Write down question number 1, 2 and 3. Accordingly, we will do the sums. Okay, let's move to the sum. Here it is given. There are three partners are there, A, B and C, and their profit sharing ratios are 2:2:1. Now they have given three conditions. Condition number 1 is if A retires. If A retires, it means A retiring from the business and business will carry it forward by the B and C. Then what will be their new ratio? See here, if A is retiring, then the new ratio between B and C will be 2:1. It's clear now? If A is retiring, the ratio between the partner A, B and C will be 2:1. It is given. It's very simple. Condition number 2 is given if B retires. Now here B is retiring from the business. Now the ratio between A and C. Now what is the ratio of A and C? A and C is now here B is retiring. The A and C will be 2:1. It's simple, 2:1. Condition number C is given if C retires from the business. The ratio between B and C will be, A and B will be 2:2. And if we deduct it, right now 1:1. So that is 1:1. Question number 1 is over. Now we'll do question number 2. Now I am taking question number 2. In question number 2, see it is given A, B and C are partners sharing profit in the ratio 1/2, 3/10 and 2/10. B retires and his share is taken by A and C in the ratio of 3:2. Find the new profit sharing ratio. Okay. Over. So see here, ABC it is given. The ratio is 1/2, 3/10 and 2/10. We can write it as, because I need to make 2 as a 10, because 10 is there the denominator, so I also need to make it 10, the ratio of A. So what I have done, 1/5 and 2/5. So I will make 2 into 5, that will come as a 10 in denominator. Right? So I make 5/10, 3/10 and 2/10, and the ratio will be 5:3:2. It is their old ratio, right? I am writing here old ratio, right? So and B is retiring from the business. See here, B is retiring from the business. So and this share is taken over by A and C in the ratio of 3:2. So what I have written, B share is taken by A and C in the ratio of 3:2. So here remember it, in case of retirement, the remaining partner will gain the share, because someone is retiring from the business, so his share will be taken over by the remaining partner. So there will be a gaining ratio. In the admission, there is a sacrificing ratio, and in retirement, there will be a gaining ratio. So as A will gain, it means B share will be taken over by A and C in the ratio of 3:2. So A will gain, what is the ratio? 3/10. A will gain 3/2, so 3/5. C will gain 9/50. Accordingly, C will gain, what is the ratio? B 3/10, and C will get 2/5 ratio. C will gain 6/50. Now we need to find out new ratio on A and C. So new ratio of A will be, what is the A's old ratio? A old ratio 5/10 plus whatever he is getting from B. So he is getting from B is 9/50. So 5/10 plus 9/50. And you take the LCM, that will come 30. because LCM we taking 50, so 5 into 5, so 25, and 9 1 is 1, so 34. So it's coming 25 plus 9 is 34. Accordingly, C's new share. What is the old share of C? 2 by 10th, and he is getting ratios from C from B is 6 by 50, 6 by 50, and if we do the LCM, we'll get 16 by 50. So A and C's new ratio is 34 is to 16, and if we deduct it, we'll get 17 is to 8, because I've deducted by 2, so 34, if we deduct by 2, so it's coming 17, and 16 divided by 2 by is coming 8. So the new ratio will be 17 is to 8. Thank you. And we'll do now we'll do question number 3. See, now I'm taking question number C of 3. It is given A, B and C are partner sharing profit in the ratio 1 by 2, and B 1 by 5, and C 3 by 10th. C retiring. Calculate new profit sharing ratio between A and B. So here it is given A is to B is to C is 1 by 2, 1 by 5, and 3 by 10th. So here denominator should be equal to A and B and C. It is not equal. A is given 1 by 2, 1 by 5, and 3 by 10th. So we need to make denominator same between A, B and C. So for that, what I have done, 1 by 5, 1 is to 1 multiplied by 5 and 2 multiplied 5, because I need to make denominator 5. Clear? So I need to make, if I multiplying 2 with 5, then also 1 also need to make multiplied by 5. So it's making 1 is to 5 and 2 is to 5. Then saying again here also, if I need to make it 10, I need to multiply 5 with 2. There also multiplying 1 with 2. It is getting 5 is to 2 is to 3. Clear? And it is given C retiring from the business. So after C's retirement, what will be the ratio between A and B? So new profit sharing ratio between A and B will be, what is the ratio remaining to C is retiring, so ratio will be 5 is to 2, because C is retiring from the business. So C will go out from the business, and remaining ratio will be 5 is to 2. That will be their new ratio of A and B. Thank you.